Hello, my name is Ravi Vij. I'm from My Cancer Haven, and I have today with me the Dr. Ola Landgren, who's a professor of medicine, chief of the division of myeloma at the Sylvester Cancer Center. He's endowed chair in immunotherapy at the organization, and he's going to talk to us today about multiple myeloma. Abstract that he presented at the ASCO meeting that got a lot of traction. So welcome, Ola.
Thank you very much, Ravi, for having me. It's really a great honor working with you always. Thank you.
So this abstract was a randomized study of kyprolis, lenalidomide, dexamethasone with or without daratumumab, done at a number of centers, but I believe that you were the investigator that put the trial together.
That is correct. This is a randomized multi-center study comparing the three-drug combination carfilzomib, lenalidomide, dexamethasone to the four-drug combination Darzalex with carfilzomib, lenalidomide, dexamethasone. It's an investigator-initiated study, and I was the writer of this protocol. And we open it, and it has 7 sites. So it's here at the University of Miami, being the lead site. I am the lead principal investigator. It is also open at Sloan Kettering in New York, at MD Anderson in Houston, Texas, and Moffitt Cancer Center in Tampa. We also had Huntsman Cancer Center in Utah, Roswell Park, also in New York, and Stony Brook, also in New York. So 7 centers have contributed enrolling patients and following patients on this study.
Kudos to you to be able to get such illustrious centers together for the research, which clearly is very important, and that's why they committed to it. So just to lay the background, what is the background in which this study was conducted, and what were your goals?
Well, we have seen in many studies how the use of modern combination therapy in newly diagnosed patients with multiple myeloma can deliver deep and durable responses. And this has been reflected in MRD negativity. And I think what we have seen increasingly over the past 24 months, that this is true independent of patients' transplant eligibility, meaning that patients are both transplant eligible or transplant ineligible. You can see the same thing if you use modern combination therapy. And as you know, I was pioneering the work on minimal residual disease as an early endpoint for drug approval in myeloma. And I started that work when I was at the NCI back in 2009. And we worked for 15 years. And last year we were invited to ODAC, the Oncology Drug Advisory Committee for the FDA, and presenting for ODAC. And there was also the I2 team that worked in parallel with us. And we together presented